dear friends. This is your host Jyotsna Sharma welcoming you to Mana TV and Mana TV International. You're watching Community Special with Jyotsna, a show that focuses on health and fitness and everything that relates to your good living and happy living in the community. As we say, a successful community comes up in a better way. Today, we have a very special guest. His story is unique and he has paid back to the humanity, I would say, in a wonderful way because he did some inventions that helped in reducing the pollution. You understand that pollution plays a very, very big havoc in our lives and our health and fitness gets hampered. His name is Mr. Sundar Ramaiah, and Mr. Sundar has been doing some great inventions for last many years. He is a bioscientist by profession, but with the virtue of his work, he is far beyond in his reach to humanity, where he is giving back by doing some great inventions. We will meet him shortly, and before that, I would like to tell you that he right now is devising another kind of immunity cure for people for there is a coronavirus scare, there is a coronavirus disease spreading all over the world, and his this new cure is all about building up immunity in your body so that you can fight against this coronavirus. Without much ado, I am bringing Mr. Sundar Ramaiah here. Mr. Sundar Ramaiah, welcome to the show Community Special.
Hi.
I have heard very good things about you. And Mr. Ramaiah, I would like to know from you a little background of your experience in, the biotechnology field, or say as a bioscience scientist, as well as the inventions you've been doing. Please throw some light on your past.
Yeah, I have done a lot of researches in 16 years. Especially, we are working for controlling the pollution. It is called carbon antidote. And at the same time, we developed one technology. It is water fuel technology. It means any vehicle can run with 100% water. Like as now cryogenic engine running with the same basis of work. And at the same time we are working development different type of minerals to connecting with the human immunity boost ups. So it is the third product, and we are developing one another one which has producing the oxygen through use to use our oil. It is called anti radiotic oil. These are all connecting with the nature reconstruction and human health and boost the immunity system. It is very good for the human being.
Very interesting to know all this, Mr. Ramaiah. You are doing great work. So, because right now the whole world needs good health. People are looking for healthy lifestyle, good health, and to protect against any infections or viruses. I would like to know more about your this water that you were speaking is.
MEF water, yes, it
Okay.
is called magnetic electrofluid. Based on human health is depending on human body is depending on good quality of air and good quality of water and good quality of food. These three elements are very important to enhance the human body to live live in the earth. So but the problem is today we are taking the drinking water, it is moreover RO water. So RO water means it is completely avoiding the minerals, and it is not value for the uh, immunity, and it is not good for the human body construction. So we are identifying these particular issues to how to control these particular issues, and finally we'll bring out MEF water. So the meaning of MEF water, magnetic electrofluid. So the human body organs are completely depending on the minerals. Based on minerals, organs should completely grow up and organ should construct with the body mass. So this is the structure of the human body. So we identifying particularly what are the minerals are required for the human body. Directly we will collect from the seabed water. It is very valuable for the essential mineral development, mineral collections in the ocean. So we are collecting from the ocean The 10th, the ocean is abundant source of the minerals. So we are collecting what type of minerals for the human organs functioning. It is very useful for the human body. So we are collecting like magnesium, like iron, like zinc, like copper. So these different type of minerals we are collecting from the seabed water and directly mix into the water molecules. It is connecting. It is upgrading with the magnifications. So the magnification is our own technology. So after it is connecting, after it is made up on magnetic electrofluid water.
Excellent. This is something new. Nobody would think of going to the seabed, to see and pull the water out and, concentrate it in a form there where you are bringing in this magnetic water, uh, um, MEF that you call it. So I have a question. How do you
Please.
extract water from the seabed, and how much of water you take to make a particular, to the market product?
Yes, we are collecting 10,000 liter of seabed water. Finally, the product output is 100% concentrated MEF water. 1 liter we are bring out. We bring out. So 1 liter of MEF liquid is completely a 100% natural mineral with magnification of liquids, and it is diluting with 400 to 500 liters of the normal RO water. So the
Excellent.
technology is the technology is developing with the nanoparticle, nanoscience. So the nanoscience completely the variation of the minerals and construction of the minerals, and it is preservation for the next some period of the time. It is very good for the. We are following many routes and many developments in this particular technology construction.
Thank you for the inputs. And for a normal household, if somebody has to consume this water, how much is the normal quantity per time, they can take, or they can use it as a per day intake of this mineral water, so that all the minerals are replenished in the body through this water? How much should they take per day? And what is the concentration to be mixed? Like how much water should be mixed with it?
Yes, we are providing 30 ml of the bottle. So the bottle is 100% concentrated bottle. We are diluting into the 1 liter of RO water. Directly, it is connecting with MEF liquid. So this MEF liquid is 30 doses, dividing a month of span 30 doses. Every day 30 ml of water, regularly human consuming, and he is having lot of minerals to using these 30 ml of water, and his body getting more immunity and getting more electrolyte balance. This is
So if you have
very.
to sum up the minerals there, thank you, Mr. Ramaya. If you have to
Yeah.
sum up the minerals there, we are speaking about in this 30 ml water per day that it goes. We are having what kind of minerals? Can you rename them again? All the minerals that would be part of it?
Yes, magnesium, copper, iron, zinc, some sulfurs, some different type of ionization processed minerals. It is called connecting with some maybe human body is regularly developing with the body mass many bioagents. These bioagents are also connecting with these same minerals.
Thank you. Thank you for
Mm.
the inputs.
This is our MEF liquid bottle. We are directly diluting in this particular 1 liter bottle. Okay, this bottle is completely diluted with this regular RO water. Directly, it is connected, and once we observe this, so there are many bubbles are forming in this particular water.
Mm-hmm.
Not bubbles. It is a light particle materials.
Okay.
Okay, these are all minerals. Directly, we show everybody will show the what are the quantity of mineral and what are the good quality of water is there. Directly, people are getting directly, and at the same time, we are taking this water 30 ml of mouth. What is the mouth capacity in human mouth? It is approximately 30 ml. Directly
Mhm.
he will take and take 5 minutes of gargle.
So, Mr. Ramaya, regarding this water that you have, MEF fluid, how do you take it in? And what is the method of taking this water inside a body?
Yes, I just showed this particular water bottle. It is MEF magnetic electrofluid liquid. So this water directly we are taking to the mouth
So, you have
and
diluted 30 ml of MEF in this 1 liter bottle.
yes.
Okay.
So after taking to the my mouth and rinse 5 minutes to 15 minutes, depending on the capacity of the person and free time of the person.
Can
So
you please show?
5 minutes to 10 minutes. Just I
So, Mr. Ramaya has taken this water inside his mouth and he's rinsing it as if we rinse something, and he'll keep rinsing it for 5 or 10 minutes. Of course, it becomes very tough to hold it back for 10 minutes. But if somebody can do rinsing for, like this for 5 minutes, they're able to produce more saliva in their mouth. And when more saliva is produced, this helps in absorption of this water in different body parts. I mean, especially when it goes to the stomach first, that absorption happens faster in your stomach, basically. So it's more about saliva production that he is doing through rinsing and then taking his water in to, bond with other body organs gradually.
magnificated minerals is absorption in the body. The organ function should get 100%.
Interesting. Oh, we keep gargling and then drink it
We
as well.
keep gargling because of reason in human body is connecting with more bonding of saliva. So in our mouth is producing more saliva. It is called
Mhm.
brain fluid. Directly brain fluid into the mouth. Directly we are adding some water to intake the mouth. This water is connecting with bonding with more saliva, and directly it is consumed into the body. The water minerals is more bonding and more flexibility working with the DNA. Directly it is going to DNA. The body is going to directly absorb that particular minerals, and all organs should function it within the minutes of the span.
So you mean to say when we gargle, our saliva will be produced more, and the saliva, when it binds together with this MEF fluid, it enhances basically the absorption of this water in the body, in the different parts of the body, like the organs, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So it is directly working within minutes of the span. It's working.
Okay.
The results should come.
Okay. So saliva plays an important role. So to produce saliva, we have to gargle it for a few minutes. That's what you want to say.
Yes, yes, yes.
Are there any side effects to this water consumption?
Nothing, because this is completely a nature product. No side effects to use this water.
Perfect. Thank you so
Yes.
much. So pretty interesting with this water. And I heard that you are also producing some immunity developing oil that if we put it in our nostrils, looks like it enhances the immunity. Can you please throw some light on that product as well?
Yes, that product is available now. So it is called anti-radiotic oil. We are completely filling this particular bottle. So this oil is very valuable and very essential. So this oil construction is in regular oils is construction based is regular oil fatty acid. Regular oil construction base is fatty acid. What is the meaning of fatty acid? The acidic content is 120. For example, we are taking 1 liter of coconut oil, 120 ml of acidic content is there, and 780 ml is fatty content is there. So that's why the fatty content is very against to the nature, and that's why the oil is going to expire within the minutes, within the months of the span. 6 months of the span, oil lifetime will going to expire. So this is the problem of the oil construction. So what we have to do, we are completely avoiding these particular fatty contents and collecting the acidic contents only. We are collecting different type of oils, which is a natural and which is completely a natural crushing process. So after we are separating this fatty and acidic content, the acidic content is more essential. So we are completely these acidic contents the radiotic values is connecting, automatically the ionized processes go through on that. So oil based of amount is ionized, it is producing more oxygen to the human.
So you mean to say this oil gets ionized because you have broken it down in a way through your, you said radiotic process. I don't understand the word radiotic 100%. Through some radioactivity you said, or some radiotic means what exactly?
No, radioactivity is a formula of base. The radiotic values, radiotic means it is the inner layer of strength, molecular strength. So we are increasing with the ionization process. Automatically, the ionization concentration will be improved. The concentration is connecting with more oxygen, and it is completely ionization process with more ionic values. It is improve in the human body.
So it leads to more ionization in the body, and that's how
Yes,
more oxygen is released in the body,
yes,
and that's how the immunity develops.
yes.
So your natural processes through the oil, this oil that you have created, is creating more oxygen through the ionization process in the body, you are saying.
Right.
Nice, interesting.
This ionization, if one drop of oil, it is producing 910 liters of oxygen in 18 to 24 hours.
Is there any claim, verified, vetted claim for this? How do you say that? How can you prove it?
Yes, I am telling about this particular calculation. What is the calculation? A human body is required 10,000 liters of air per day in breathing, inhale and exhale.
Okay.
So these 10,000 liters of air, 20% of oxygen is available in the atmospheric ambient air. Okay, the 20%, it means 2,000 liter of oxygen is available, and 2,000 liter of oxygen is sufficient for the human body. But the problem is now 2,000 liter of oxygen not available in 10,000 liters of ambient air. So it is completely come down with it is available only 1,600 liters. So it's very necessary for increasing oxygen levels for the human body. Not possible, not available. So that's why the organ get lot of deficiency. These deficiencies is completely connect with different type of diseases. Okay, so what this particular oil completely increasing the oxygen levels through the air. How it is possible? In the air, oxygen is 16 to 17%, and remaining nitrogen is 68 to 70%, and remaining 3 to 4% of ionization air is also available. It is called carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, NOx, SOx, sulfur dioxide. There are many gases are there. These are all dioxides. Dioxides.
Got it.
So these dioxides completely converted into the reoxidation process. These reoxidation process, then oxides will convert into the oxygen.
Oh my God, your science is 100% being applied there, and you're fruitfully using it for the good of humanity. Now I
Yes,
know there are two things, wonderful things that you have invented. Is one is this MEF fluid, where you are able to provide necessary minerals to the body through water that
yes,
you have taken out from the seabed,
yes,
concentrated it, and it, you know, have people can add it into normal RO water and can
yes,
drink it to enhance their immunity and their body function. The organs will work better in that when they consume this water, right?
yes,
Second is this oil, where you are saying even a drop of this oil when you put to the nostrils, both the nostrils, we are
yes,
able to breathe more oxygen. I mean,
yes,
there is a conversion, the science or the interaction that takes place with this oil is such that we are able to take in a lot more oxygen inside the body.
yes. It's approximately compared to regular breathing, it is 40 to 50% of excess oxygen.
So tell me one thing, how good is it for asthma patients, because they struggle to breathe?
It is 100% perfectly working for asthma patients and any lung organ disturbed patients, and many people are suffering with the polluted elements is destroying the lungs. So not only asthma, it is all types of breathing problems. It is completely cured within a week of the span.
This means people, what's happening with coronavirus also is people's lungs get damaged.
Yes,
So if this kind of oil is supplied to them, if they put this oil on their nostril, this means they will be able to absorb more oxygen into the lungs and they will become more healthy soon. The
yes,
recovery rate would be better this fees.
100%. The
Any,
aspiration
any
system.
claims, any vetted claims, any proofs where you have some patients or people who have joined, used these products and they said that they are working very well?
Yes, already we give 25,000 yearly customers in India. So these customers are very satisfying and different type of diseases. And not only corona, corona is today disease, but we are trying to do HIV positive and cancer diseases and kidney diseases and more of the viral diseases, fever like dengue, malaria, viral fevers, and more of the brain dead brain death, some damage is there, some brain problems are also there, and more people are connecting with some blood process, like blood percentage, low blood percentages, and more people are suffering with neurology problems with diabetic, and more somebody is connecting with bp, kind of bp based some strain and stress and headache and migraine pains. So these type of lot of problems we have to cure with these two products. This is connecting with more immunity powers for the human body and more electrolyte balance. So the coronavirus is damaging the body, human body, more our aspiration problem. It is connected, it is dangerous with the lungs. So we are given pure oxygen for that particular human, particular patient. Directly, physician will cure within a week of the span. There is no doubt at all.
Excellent. Thank you so much for those inputs, Dr. Ramaya. You are doing something great. Very innovative. Skills there put to use and for the common good of humanity. Now, has any government authority or you have you reached out to any government authority, to give boost to your these productions that you are doing, or are they supporting your this cause? What you are doing?
Yeah, since last 2 months back, we are connecting with the Ayush Board Ministry in India. So
Mhm.
he is feeling very well, and he is ready to take forwarding for the next level.
So, Dr. Harshvardhan is the Health Minister of India. Did you
Yeah.
get a chance to meet him?
Not possible. In previous time, we discovered carbon antidote. That time he is environmental ministry. So that time already also I met with him and I explained to him, and he is very inspiring, and he gave more value for that innovation, and he uh, discussed with some other persons to implement this technology.
Very nice.
Yes.
So, there in the past, you have worked on the pollution control, as you said that you were able to create engines which do not consume petrol.
Yes. It
Can
is
you throw some
engines.
little light on that as well?
It is called carbon antidote. As per my my first basic science and technology part is water fuel technology, which means any vehicle can run with 100% water. So, but it is not possible in the world. Now, cryogenic engines are running in the PSLV to GSLV, polar satellite to zero satellite. So that second category, that engines are completely working. So my idea is why I am not do in the earth, the vehicles are running with 100% water. This is my idea. So I have to put more efforts, and since working in last 16 years, finally I'll get 100% water powered engines. There is no need to fuel to using this automobile engineering. So after some time, I presented this technology to some people. People are asking, Yes, what about existing vehicles? Your vehicle is producing pure oxygen, your vehicle is running with water, it is good. But what about existing vehicle? In India, nearly 90 crores of vehicles are running a day. How could you control that pollution? People are asking me, some companies, corporate companies are asking me. So that time I would development with the new technology, it is called carbon antidote. So these carbon antidote means where all automobile engines are producing pure carbon dioxide, pure NOx and SOx, very harmful gases. It is called toxinized gases, arsenic gases. These gases are very harmful. It is called global warming. It is called human health is going to destroy. So many dangerous situations are there to connecting with this air pollution. So we just made one single step of carbon antidote solution, liquid solution. So
Mm-hmm.
you just see this bottle.
Right.
This is our carbon antidote. So this liquid is just we are putting into the directly engine, combustion engine through the airline. This liquid is a base amount of nanoparticle science. Directly, this liquid is spray into the directly combustion chamber. It is make a nano layer on metals, engine combustion chamber metals. Directly, it's functioning every firing because of automobile engine is producing the more pollution within the firing time. So that time only it will react with the oxygen, with the dioxides, should convert it into reoxidization process. That reoxidization is converted into the oxygen. So this is very simply formula to avoid the pollution with the existing vehicles of automobile engines.
So basically, when the combustion process starts,
Hmm.
when the ignition starts, it is
Hmm.
at that point of time when the combustion happens, the carbon dioxide produced gets oxidized through this solution that you have,
Yes.
right? And then instead of carbon dioxide or monoxides, you
Hmm.
are able to produce more oxygen. You mean to say that, right?
Yes. Instead of carbon dioxide, SOx and NOx, all the gases is converted into the reoxidization process. Directly, it is producing the oxygen, which means every automobile engine is producing 40 to 80% of oxygen.
Very nice. This is
It is
something.
connecting with more
It will be
biology
it is a
reconstruction.
revolutionary invention in that case if we put this fluid, and it will remarkably pull down the pollution in that case. So why did you not get any support from the government on this work?
Just now, that's why we are connecting with the government. So I'm looking for the government support now. Already we are
Mhm.
existing 3 lakh vehicles successful running data is there, and successful stories also there. So it is
Very good.
given more mileage also. It is given more engine comfort also. It is given more engine life also, and it is given more engine oil life. Regularly engine oil is most hazard particle to the destroy the nature.
So you are saying just few drops of this liquid that you have produced
Hmm.
is going to reduce so much of pollution from the vehicles.
Yes, pollution and engine oil lifetime will increase, and engine lifetime will increase, and uh, fuel economy 20 to 30% of fuel economy. It's given more mileage also
So
because
what kind of
regular.
constitution does this product has? Like, is it an oil or what is it exactly?
No, it is completely a water based material. This is also a water based material. I just open this particularly. Just this is completely a water based. You just check it out. It is a water.
Wow. Oh my
Okay,
God. So
this is
did
also
this
a
water
water.
also come from the sea or you made this water?
No, this water is more concentrated water to without minerals. There is no
Okay.
minerals in this water, demineralized water. Demineralized water, we have to get nanoparticle developments, and we have to develop some different technologies. So that is the secret of the formula. So after finally it would ready to use.
Thank you for these inputs, and thank you for sharing, throwing light on your inventions, which are in fact revolutionary in nature. Be it the nasal oil that you have, or the the water that you have produced that can be mixed with the RO water, and of course this to control pollution. Mr. Ramaiah, I believe you are a person who should be recognized properly by the government authorities. And I know I'm interviewing you today, and as you wait for those more approvals through the Ministry of Ayush or the other government, and of course your steps, we wish you all the very best for all your efforts that you're putting in. And at the same time, I would like to know if people have to contact you to buy these oils, especially with the coronavirus situation and the sickness people have, their lower immunity, to get the oil and water, where they should reach you. Is there any phone number, or is there any website or email ID where they can touch base with you? Can you share the details, please?
Yes, we have a website also. We have our website www.sundarwaterfueltech.com. This is our website, and my contact number is 9492828882.
Thank you. And looks like you are making inroads on a very innovative platform. Where your mind is working pretty fast, and I believe Ministry of Ayush will also acknowledge you for the work you have done with these immunity boosting products that you made. And we also want to know from you, in how many countries have you been able to provide this? I know different countries have different regulations to approve the product, but do you have customers who are calling you from different countries as well?
Yes, our carbon antidote is connecting with the total UAE. So, how many countries are connecting with the UAE consent departments? Our carbon antidote is directly tested by UAE government authorized lab. So, we are getting more good valuation document from them. So, what is the valuation document? Every automobile engine is producing 40% of excess oxygen through the combustion chamber.
Oh my God, this is revolutionary indeed. This is
Yes,
very interesting to know.
yes. And at the same time, we are giving a testimonial report we are getting from Telangana government also. Telangana PCB, Pollution Controlling Board, directly this particular this particular carbon antidote, we are getting the same similar what Dubai government consent. 40 to 50% of oxygen is producing after combustion. It is very revolution, and it is a valuable asset through contact, through compare with biology. One automobile engine is compared to one automobile engine is compared to 50 trees, 50 plants in biology.
What do you mean to say that these one engine is producing oxygen or taking
Oxygen,
away?
yes, the percentage of 50 plants, it is equal to 50 plants equal
It is able to
in
produce oxygen.
produce oxygen.
Oh my God.
No
I mean,
harmful gases.
interesting.
My idea is in India, 90 crores of vehicles are running a day. When you are completely applying our this carbon antidote on every vehicle, automatically after 3 months in India, oxygen percentage now in ambient oxygen is only 16%. After 3 months, the percentage of oxygen is going to about 22%. There
I
is no
cannot
doubt at all.
perfectly, I cannot believe it actually. Honestly, seeing is believing. It still seems like a fairy tale story where you're talking about a engine
Yeah.
producing oxygen, where we have always heard of engines producing pollution.
Yes,
So
but in this
we will still
technology, it will
wait for the
completely.
records, official records, to show, for
Yes.
things to look really true. We are the media people, and we like to vet things, we like to verify everything in detail, because a lot of people, watch our shows, and they form an opinion. But having said that, you are making inroads on a very different level, where you have thought about this entire physics and chemistry that you have involved, in your work, your knowledge, and then you are producing. So we wish you all the very best for all these products that you have. And yes, we will wait to hear more stories, successful stories of your happy customers and of the government authorities from India right now, as of now, you said. And of course, you said UAE government also approved of your carbonide antidote, this drop basically. So we will wait to get inputs on them as well. And we wish you all the very best for your future. And on a closing note, I would like to know from you, what would you like to tell people who would like to touch base with you?
Yes, my sincere opinion is to make a greener world for the next generation. This is only my ideology. Okay, who can support with us? Who can use our products? They are all connecting with the nature. They are all very healthy point of view. They are all getting 100% of health and wealth also.
Very nice. All the best. Thank you so much, Mr. Sundar Ramaiah. And we wish you all the very best for your success in every field that you take up, and I know you will not stop here. Many things might be going in your mind. We will see more products coming from you. We will wait.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So viewers, this was the special session with Mr. Sundar Ramaiah, a bioscientist and an inventor who has been taking great steps in bringing some new products which could reduce pollution, which could increase your immunity. We understand that how verifiable it is hard to contest right now, because he is in the beginning stage of producing these products. Not exactly, he's been in the line of business for many years now, and he definitely got some approvals from different ministries and governments, as he said. We will still look to hear back more on his success story through the government authorities, where he is being recognized, or they give importance to his work. Because I believe these are the small town people who have put in their heart and soul to a product which is good for humanity. Sometimes they are overlooked, and we as a media play an important role to bring their stories to masses, so that people and the government authorities can recognize them and give them full support. With that hope, I sign off for today. Wish you all the best for great living and happy times. Thank you so much.